Hello, we're back. In episode 67, I said we'd be talking about the port of Invader to the Nintendo 3DS, programmed in BASIC, using Smile Basic and the Smile Basic IDE, edited on an actual 3DS. Let's go ahead and start it. Smile Basic works right on the 3DS. I'd edit this whole program with a stylus. It's pretty capable and very cool to be able to program on the go. It also comes with some examples, but is no longer supported on the 3DS. But it has since been ported to Nintendo Switch. I might do a video on that in the future. Hopefully the Switch version has mouse and keyboard support. Let's go ahead and run it and see how it works. I decided to see if I could add some 3D effects, so I raised the UI and the sprites off the background. You won't be able to see this on the video, but it looks pretty cool. It's pretty effective. Then I thought I should try to take advantage of both screens, so I created another version. As far as I can tell, you can't use 3D, as the bottom screen doesn't support 3D, of course, and the top screen has been narrowed to match the bottom one. So here's that version. Gotta love the disc sounds. Sorry for the glare, but now I can fire all the way up to the top screen. Not very practical, but it was kind of fun. And the 3D slider is all the way up, and there is no 3D on the top screen. So Smile Basic is pretty cool and fun to play around with, but without keyboard and mouse support, it's pretty time consuming to enter programs. It does have a sprite editor and a music editor, which work really well with the stylus, but I won't be doing any serious programs with this unless someone figures out a way of coding offline and getting it onto the 3DS. If you haven't checked out my other videos, I'll leave a link in the description where you can find them. This video brings me up to 68 episodes in total. So next episode I will be showing a port of Invader to the Commodore 64, Nintendo Game Boy, and the Mega 65 in Pascal with Turbo Rascal using the Turbo Rascal Syntax Error IDE. That about wraps up episode 68 of my journey in game programming. Please like and subscribe and leave any comments or suggestions you may have that could make these a better experience. Until then, bye. I'll talk to you next time.